How to add subtitles to a video on iPhone. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and download your subtitles. You can download your subtitles from ytshop.com. Now search for your movie subtitles. Now select your movie. Now scroll down and select your language subtitle. Now tap on download subtitle. Now tap on download. After downloading, open up your file manager. Now go to downloads and extract the zip file. After extracting, you will get a .srt file. Now go back and open up my Now go back and open up your App Store and search for MX Player. Now install this app and click on Open. Now open up your movie folder. As for now, I haven't downloaded any movie, so I will select this video. Now tap on three dots and click on Subtitles. Now tap on Open. Now select the downloaded folder. Now select the subtitles file. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about this topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.